so amazing. This is my first time come to MAXHUB and everything is presented well. The showroom is very amazing, sophisticated, and I just know that MAXHUB have so many other solutions rather than IFV and display.
Ya, ini kunjungan pertama saya untuk satu manufaktur yang sangat keren lah untuk termasuk dalam pembuatan produk MAXHUB-nya menggunakan robot dan saya
feel amazed about how big the CPT is and such warm hospitality from MAXHUB team. We are truly honored and we look to strengthening our partnership even further.
I hope everyone enjoy the night, enjoy the journey, enjoy the trip, and enjoy MAXHUB in the future as well.
I think from the trip we not only experience a new thing, but we also gain more confidence. We feel that this company has a long-term goals, long-term vision, which is for us as a partner. I think it's a good thing to start.
A very big country, it's very futuristic country, and believe we can do more collaboration in the future.